This is my prayer for today. Let's make it happen. Let's make it better together. What is wrong and what is right in this world? And what have you done today to make it better? What is wrong and what is right in this world? And what have you done to make it better today? This is my prayer for today. This is my today's prayer. Oh, this is my today's prayer. So what is right and what is wrong in this world? What can I do to make it better, to make it better place, to make it a better place for you and me? My today's